Good evening everyone. If you are thinking to buy an MG4 EV, or if you have an MG4 EV, or if you are waiting for an MG4 EV to be delivered, you may have some problem about navigation activation. For example, when I get my car and when I click navigation, it was saying that here the navigation cannot be activated. So what you need to do, you need to come to the main screen, slide left, click settings, and go to the privacy notice. Here it should be ticked as I agree, but even it is ticked as I agree, first tick I do not agree, then come back to the main screen and go to the settings again and choose I agree again. Then try to tap navigation and check if it's working. If it's working, there is no problem. If it's not working, there is one thing that we need to do, and you need to be very careful while doing this. Let's start. If the first way doesn't work, the second way is slide left, go to settings, go to system and entertainment system version 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we need to put a pin code which is 200519. Okay, this is the factory mode. Do not touch anything here. Click activate, and as you can see here, switch environment current. This stands as P. Just touch it and change it. If it doesn't, just set it as P, then back, exit, main screen, click navigation. Navigation should be working, or it should be asking you some confirmation. Then you need, after your confirmation, it should start working. If not, you need to go to the service. But this way, I used this both ways at the same time, and the navigation started working. And while you are doing it, you need to be sure that your car is connected to your phone's Wi-Fi. Connected to your Wi-Fi, so you can be sure that it's getting the data from the GSM operator to activate navigation for necessary database or information or confirmation. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.